No, we already welcome the SIT investigation, but the scandal going Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Delhi, Pakistan, Al Jazeera, BBC, everywhere. That's why we are demanding NAI, National Investigations Agency, that have to investigate this issue. This is they are targeting Hindu, the toolkit of condemning Hindu culture. That's why we have to show the public, before the public, this who is the toolkit, which fund is coming to India from international community, which country is sponsoring this all toolkits. This have to come out. That's why the Congress people in Karnataka, they are supporting the toolkits. That's why we are protesting today. Save Hindu, save Dharmasthala, save Chamundeshwari temple. That is the issue today. We are not happy. We welcome SIT, but it is an international scandal, international issue. That's why you have to investigation internationally. That's why we are demanding the National Investigation Agency to invest this issue. Today, more than 1 lakh people will come to protest here to support Dharmasthala issue. All over Karnataka, Hindus are coming. I also demand all Hindus, we all one, fight against adharma. So that is the issue. Today is a big rally we are doing.